Will AI take my job? Probably you have heard that AI will take many jobs and especially the developer jobs because AI tools can write codes and can create any types of applications. The question is, can anyone use AI to create applications, websites, or write codes and programs? Long time ago, when WordPress was created, hundreds of influencers were shouting in all social media platforms that 10 years from then, there would be no jobs for web developers, that anyone can create websites with a few clicks. Now it is more than 10 years, but there are still thousands of jobs for web developers, and WordPress itself has created thousands of jobs worldwide. The same thing will happen to artificial intelligence or AI. Companies will hire AI professionals to do and create many new things. There is something very interesting about programming and coding in general. And because of that, you as a developer should not worry at all. Non-developer profiles can never do the job of developers because developers are doing hundreds of things simultaneously. For example, when you ask AI to create a website, then you have to know all the development tools and software so that you can integrate the AI generated codes and bring them together. You have to be an excellent debugger because sometimes AI generated codes contain tons of bugs. Besides, AI generated code is like a template and you have to be able to modify it based on your specific case. You have to be an excellent programmer because a website and any types of applications or software is like a baby that never grows and you have to take care of it forever. An application needs updating, upgrading, maintenance. After a while, you need to change the style of the application. You need to change or optimize the contents, update and upgrade the libraries, packages, and dependencies. Now you see that nobody can do the job of developers except developers. There are cheap companies that want to do everything by themselves or trying to do everything by a few employees, but they just hurt themselves. I worked for a cheap company. The boss was trying to learn coding to maintain and modify the apps. He lost all his hair, but he could not do any damn thing on those apps. Machines or AI integrated machines have taken many jobs in the physical world, such as restaurants, supermarkets, production environments, factories, hospitals, and many other areas. Machines have saved billions of dollars for the companies and have caused poverty. So the government should distribute the benefits fairly among the people and the company. Otherwise, it is unfair and harmful for the society. This was my thoughts and answer to the question, will AI take my job? You can also share your thoughts and answer with the world under this video in the comments. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and being around. Have great times.